Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. Today we are going to discuss about the place where the examination of Assistant Public Prosecutor of CBI and Public Prosecutor of CBI exam would going to be held, and also what approximately would be the syllabus which is going to come in the paper of Assistant Public Prosecutor of CBI and Public Prosecutor of CBI and Assistant Public Prosecutor of Delhi Government. Before going further, I would request you to kindly press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel for the further new videos and notifications. It is also requested to post your comment in the comment section and press the like button for the videos, so that whatever the queries and clarification you require in the forthcoming examination will be cleared in the next coming video. So for that, what is the syllabus of Assistant Public Prosecutor and Public Prosecutor of CBI exam? So today we will see that there was an exam which was held in 2015 by UPSC for the same post, and that happened on the basis of CBRT, that is computer based recruitment test. The exam will going to be happen in an online mode in the various centers, wherein the online examination would be happen, and that would comprise of 300 marks in total, and there are 8 centers where the exam is going to happen. First center will be Bhopal, second is Kolkata, third is Delhi, include NCR also, fourth is Dispur Guwahati, fifth is Chennai, sixth is Nagpur, seventh is Lucknow, and eighth is Jammu. Here we can see that it is very clearly mentioned that Bhopal 04 code, Kolkata 06 code, Delhi include NCR also 08 code, Dispur Guwahati 09 code, Chennai 12 code, Nagpur 13 code, Lucknow 26 code, and Jammu 37 code. Now people are thinking that what would be the syllabus. The test will be of 2 hours duration, and the medium of test will be English only. Please note that the medium of test would be English only. The test will be an objective type with multiple choice of answers, will carry a maximum of 100 marks. But now the pattern has been changed by UPSC, and now the maximum marks would be 300 marks. In questions would be 120 questions. What would be the syllabus? The syllabus would comprise of constitutional law, criminal law including Indian Penal Code and Criminal Procedure Code, law of evidence, Information Technology Act, Central Vigilance Commission Act, Prevention of Corruption Act, and Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, that is CBI, that is Central Bureau of Investigation. So now we can see that what would be the paper duration would be of 2 hours, and the maximum marks would be of 100, which will be multiplied into 3. That means one question would be of 3 marks, and there would be 120 questions, and for every 3 wrong answer 1 mark is going to be deducted. That is 1/3 is the negative marking in these paper, and the medium would be English, and it will held online in the different computer centers across 8 locations decided by UPSC in the CBRT method, computer based recruitment test. That is that people has to give their exam on the online on a computer, and there would be multiple choice questions, objective type questions, comprises of most probably on these 7 topics, that is constitutional law, criminal law including IPC and CRPC, Indian Penal Code and Criminal Procedure Code, law of evidence, Information Technology Act, Central Vigilance Commission Act, Prevention of Corruption Act, and Delhi Special Police Establishment Act. Please note that there would, in addition to these, the judgment would also be coming in this exam. The judgment related to these topic, the main judgments given by the Supreme Court of India, or any leading judgment related to these 7, specifically 7 to 8 topics, would be coming in the examination in the question form, which you have to answer. So friends, it is requested you to kindly go through these topic in detail to prepare for these subjects, and also to at least have a look upon the leading judgments given by the Supreme Court of India on these topic, which would going to come in this examination paper. And Most probably the exam is going to be held in the month of July or September as per the examination notification given by the UPSC on its website. So now friends, you are requested to kindly go through in detail about these topics. If you want, I can zoom that and I can show you that constitutional law, criminal law including IPC and CRPC, law of evidence, IT Act, CVC Act, Prevention of Corruption Act, Delhi Special Police Establishment Act. Please note that the question paper would be in English only English. No Hindi medium paper would be coming in this, and the centers would be Bhopal, Kolkata, Delhi include NCR also, Dispur, Guwahati, Chennai, Nagpur, Lucknow and Jammu. Only these would be the centers, and this would be decided by the UPSC that in which center your examination is going to happen. So again, best of luck for you, all of you, for the upcoming examination of CBI Assistant Public Prosecutor and Public Prosecutor exam. Prepare it, and in case of any query, any information you require further for this exam or for anything which you require, please give your comment in the comment section. Press the like button, press the subscription button, and please press the bell icon. It is also requested to please press the like button and subscribe to this channel so that I can post more videos, more information about these examination and upcoming examination and recruitments and jobs in Government of India, and also about the All India Bar Examination. Please friends, subscribe to the channel and press the like button. Thank you very much.